Part of the patient experience is no one wants to wait in the emergency room. When you come, you frequently are nervous, you might not be feeling good, you're there with family, so you want to get seen as fast as possible. I think patients can expect to wait much less than they used to because we have more rooms, we have more ability to see people quicker. They're going to be in private areas that will allow them to feel more comfortable, but also the experience will be much nicer.
I think the most unique thing about this expansion was the fact that we were able to continue seeing patients the entire time. The staff really didn't miss a beat. They were very flexible with the way they were able to accommodate the patients and accommodate our needs.
While we've really provided great care here for a long time, now we have the facility that represents the great care that we've been able to provide. I think it'll be really great for the community, and now they'll be able to get seen quicker in a much nicer environment.
If you have any questions, any concerns, always err on the side of safety and come in and be seen. We're always here, we're always happy to see you, and you don't want to put it off and end up missing something that could be critical